Alright, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can recover your recent project, your recent design on the former team you are. Most time creators face problem on how, because we join Canva Pro team every time because we want to access Canva Pro, and with the result of that we used to use our recent design, which is not really true. But in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can recover as much as possible. I mean all your recent work in the past, so you can access everything in this video. Now I would like to go to this theme, then so in this theme now I have the numbers of design. So let me just click on this one. So after clicking on it, we have has opened the editing dashboard for us to start editing. But now I'm just going to come to share. So we have collaboration link. This is what we want to work on. Then click on only you can access. Change it to anyone with the link can access the design, and can you see now anyone with the link can see your design, and what is here, give the permission. Is it to view, to make some comments, or to edit? So I'm just going to leave it as can edit. So I'm going to copy this link. So as I copy this link, then I will want to go back home. Then I have a lot of Canva Pro theme here that I have not even worked on. So I'm going to click on my artwork theme. Alright, in this theme now, we have some. Let me find another. Let's look for another theme. Anna's base class. Alright. So I'm not sure I have design here. Yes. So there's no design. There's no project here. No project design here. So now, what you are going to do now is you're just going to, because we have already copied the link and we are already in another team. Another Canva Pro team. So just come to your dashboard, clear everything there, then paste the link we copied from the other project, then click OK or enter. So it's going to open this project immediately because we have already set it as anyone can edit. If we did not set it, if you forgot to set it that anyone can edit, you will not be able to even modify anything here. So now we have successfully opened the project. So now I can move the project, you can do anything, but I will not touch it. Alright, so now you can edit your project and you can also export here. So let's go back to this theme now. So this theme now, this is the theme we joined that it was empty. You don't have any project there, but you can see your design here. So if you need any design in the future, or probably the one you have already edited before, you can always go back to the team that you edited it, then copy the link, follow all the process, and that's how you can do it. Thank you. And if you want more tips like this, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video if it is very helpful to you. Thank you.